So most people lose deals, but they never ask why. They take the rejection, move on, and hope that the next prospect will say yes. Well, that's why most salespeople stay broke. But here's what really separates the closers from the amateurs: reflection, analysis, and adaptation. When I started doing this one thing, I saw a significant increase in my closing rate, and that is writing every single interaction that I had, regardless if it was a closed deal or a missed opportunity. Now, if you're really serious about increasing your closing rate, then stick around, because I'm about to show you the exact process that changed my sales game. Most people keep making the same mistakes over and over and over again, and expect different results. They hear, "I need to think about it," and they freeze. They get ghosted and have no idea why. They fumble the objection and hope that the prospect does come back. But hope isn't the strategy here. Data is. That's why I started writing down every single sales interaction that I had. Writing down exactly what went wrong, what could have been done differently, and how to handle it next time. Now, most sales trainings teach you about scripts, techniques, and frameworks, but they never teach you how to think. I started looking at every lost deal like free coaching, every rejection a free lesson, and every objection a test. Here's what I did. Number 1, after every call, I wrote down the key moments, like where did I lose them, did I talk too much, or if I was even asking the right questions. Number 2, I analyzed the objection. If I got the same "I need to think about it" objection 5 times in a week, I knew it wasn't them. It was me. And number 3, I tested a different approach each time. Instead of waiting for luck, I engineered better results by preparing for every possible scenario. And guess what? Next time I encountered the same objection, I was ready. So here's the cold truth. Sales isn't about talent. It's about iteration. If you treat every interaction as a learning opportunity, you'll become unstoppable. Most people don't improve because they don't look at themselves in the mirror. Instead, they blame the prospect, the market, the economy, anything but themselves. But of course, winners, they take responsibility. That's why my closing rate shot up. Not because I got lucky, not because I found better leads, but because I became the person who deserved to close more deals. And here's how you could apply all of this today. After each sales interaction, write down exactly what happened and be brutally honest. Then you're going to find patterns in your losses. And from there, you're going to adapt and test. Sales is like science. Change one variable and keep track of everything that works. Most people won't do this, and that's why they stay broke. But if you do, you'll start winning. You'll start closing more deals, make more money, and separate yourself from the competition.